I would just like to thank KCB so much for this. It starts back at home. We had a whole week of golf when they came in May. Golf is growing and women are playing golf. And KCB is noticing. From organizing a women play day with practice and classes for the women to the dinner and to this today, I mean, I say thank you. And let's have more women play golf. Golf will relax you. Golf is a sport you'll take throughout your whole life. Golf is fun. Golf is competitive. Golf is family, you know. And golf is crazy. So it will really calm you down when you need it.
At the heart of what we do is, you know, to anchor a brand which is a purpose for people for better. At the heart for KCB Group is about customer obsession. It is the rock bottom. Is every single thing that we do is going to be at the heart is customer. You want to transform organizations, you want to lead organizations of the future, people will be at the heart of what we do. People will be our staff, will be our customers, and will be our stakeholders. And that's exactly why we are here today. Because you do business in the presence and for people. We are here. The teams from Uganda working with the clubs in those countries, Burundi, as well as, you know, Rwanda. Partnership is what that has got us here. But partnership will take us far. I am happy to announce that today also marks the unveiling of the 2024 KCB East Africa Golf Tour, which will kick off in February. Building on this year's learnings and the upcoming series promises more memorable experiences filled with immense adventures that will be instrumental in delivering a spectacle like no other.
Come on now, there you go. Fantastic stuff indeed.